What's up, guys? It's JAPA RICO here, broadcasting. This is going to be, usually I do a live streaming video, but today is going to be recorded directly from Sao Paulo in Brazil. We are going to talk about WillssFX. A lot of my subscribers from my Portuguese channel, also here from my English channel, were asking me, oh, please JAPA, make a reaction video about WillssFX, so let's do it now. And I didn't know him, but for the sake of making this video, I've watched a few of his videos and I found them to be interesting. And well, let's get started.
Okay guys, so today's video I'm going to talk about why I stopped trading gold or XAUUSD. If you are a subscriber of the channel, the recent videos over the past year or so, you'll see that I mainly trade GBP USD. And
yes,
in this video, I'm going to talk about the reasons why I switched from solely trading gold to now only trading GBP USD.
Yeah, so this is something I would like to discuss with you guys, because once you are, like, let's say you are still learning how to trade Forex, then is it still okay to only focus on one currency pair? Or if you're learning how to trade metals, and if you only want to focus on gold, it's fine too. But once you are consistent, you already reached the stage of having consistent profits, and you already became a professional trader. I don't think it's meaningful to just keep focusing on only one pair, like solely trading one pair or solely trading like GBP/USD as what he said, what he described. I don't think you have to do that, because think if you work for a prop firm and you only trade one single instrument, and if you don't have any opportunities to trade that one single thing, what do you do for the rest of the day? Nothing. No, it doesn't work like that, right? So if you become like a professional trader, you are trading in a trading firm, a prop firm, or in a bank or any other financial institution, you like to like watch a few pairs at the same time, right? Like a few currency pairs, a few instruments, like a few like metals at the same time, because you have your strategy. That strategy works. If you spot an opportunity, then why not, right? So, but that's my 2 cents. Let's keep watching.
The videos on my channel 3 years ago,
yes,
I was trading gold pretty much every single day.
Yes.
And it was the only pair I actually traded. I've done numerous
videos. So for a few years, I don't know why he did it for such a long time. I would, as a beginner, yes, if you want to focus on only one pair is okay, but like focus for a few months, not for a few years.
He was speaking about this is why I trade gold, this is the benefits of it. Yes. And the main benefit to actually trading gold is the increased volatility. It moves hundreds and hundreds of pips per session.
Yeah, because of the volatility, it moves a lot. Yes, but the volatility can also kill you. So you need to watch out, because a lot of volatility also implies that there is a lot of risk included.
And that's obviously, if you're a day trader, yes, a scalper, this is perfect for you. You can get numerous setups every single day.
Yes.
And
you can get numerous setups at one single day, but at the same time, right, it doesn't mean that all those setups are going to work. So it increases your risk too.
Very, very nice pair to trade overall. But I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I actually switched to solely trading GU in this video. So yes, we're going to start off.
For those who don't understand, like GU, it means he means GBP USD, because a lot of people don't understand. But like,
the time zone and the trading session in which I was actually
just to make it clear,
trading gold. I was trading it in New York session, which in the UK is just past lunchtime, just past midday. And this meant that, let's say you wake up 7, 8 a.m., you have 4 hours, 5 hours until you actually trade the session. This meant that if you're planning on doing something that day, or let's say you wanted to go out, play golf, for example, you'd either have to play before, really early in the morning, or you'd have to play after, like 5, 6 p.m., which, as you know, right now it gets dark at like 4 p.m. in the afternoon, and it's just not really great to do anything outside of trading, and it kind of takes up your whole day. Whereas if you're actually trading only one pair in the morning during London session, this means you can wake up, trade the session to, let's say, 12 p.m. and that's a good 4 hours. If there's no setups, you can obviously call it a day, maybe 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m., which then gives you the full day to do whatever you want.
Well, okay, whatever you want if okay, you found a setup and you close it that during that session, because what if you can't close it during that session, what happens? So you just continue to the next session, or you close it with a loss? Like, I don't understand.
If you want to go play golf, if you want to go play tennis, if you want to go do whatever you want, this is okay to do, because you're not going to be waiting for a setup.
Well, yeah. Yeah, but then it comes back to my point. So
I see so many people, they trade London, New York, Tokyo.
Yes.
And this just means that all day you could find a setup. So you could be waiting through London, New York, not see a setup, and then be like, oh, I'm going to go to the gym now. But then you could miss your setup because it's still valid for your entries, and you just don't get in the trade because you can't spend the whole day looking at the charts. This was the same thing.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying, I always say to my viewers that's why don't be a day trader, because then you may end up in this scenario that you have, like, you trade the whole day, like all the sessions, and you can't even go to bed, right? And then, so that's why if you don't want to keep like constantly watching the charts all day long, just become a swing trader, right? And just follow like the daily, the day chart, the week chart, the monthly chart, right? And you don't need to go to smaller time frames, and you can just like spend like 15 minutes a day just looking at the daily chart or the weekly chart, the monthly chart, and place your trade. And you don't have to keep constantly looking at the charts. Like, you just look at the chart like once a day. That's what I do.
With me, with trading gold in New York session,
yes,
a lot of things happen. Let's say you get a delivery, you can't enter the trade.
Why?
Let's say you're eating lunch, you can't enter the trade. Whereas if you do it early in the morning, you have that focus and you can just enter, boom, be done, and you're not thinking about trading for the rest of the day.
Hey, wait a minute. So does he mean that the delivery guy in the UK doesn't come in the morning? So the delivery service in the UK only comes in the afternoon? I don't understand.
Until the next London session. If you're trading to you in New York, it gets to the point when in the morning, you're always thinking for those first 4 or 5 hours of your day,
yes,
how am I going to trade gold today? How am I going to trade? Am I going to be able to make profit? Am I going to be able to recover my losses from last week? You're constantly thinking about that all day until that New York session. Whereas if you're trading in the morning, you wake up, trade, boom, it's done.
Okay, I get his point, guys. I get his point, because he's comparing now like GBP/USD with gold, and then say, okay, if you trade gold and you're waiting for the New York session and you spend the whole time thinking about the session, okay, it makes sense. But then what makes even more sense is that just don't be a day trader, like become a swing trader. Then it makes even more sense. If his concern is about his time, which I think, yeah, of course we have to be concerned, because time is very important. So we have to be concerned about time. But if time is his main concern, then just become a swing trader, right? So it's much easier. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna stop the video here. He has a lot of interesting content, right? So I'm not criticizing him. It's just like a few things that I think there is a better way to do. So let me know what you guys think about WillssFX, okay? Let me know in the comments section below, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Do you like this kind of reaction video? If you want JAPA RICO to continue on making this kind of reaction video, please also let me know in the comments section below, and hope to see you in a few hours. Thanks for watching directly from Sao Paulo in Brazil. Bye.